Dear students, this is class 9th, subject general science. Our today's topic is Newton's third law of motion. According to Newton's third law of motion, for every reaction or force in nature, there is always an equal and opposite reaction. It means that when we exert a force on an object, this object it in return turns an equal and opposite reaction on us. For example, we can state Newton's third law of motion in other words as, if we have two objects A and B, if object A exerts a force on object B, then object B also exerts a force, an equal and opposite force on the object A. The force which is exerted by an object A on B, that is called action. That force is called action, while as the force which is exerted by object B on object A, that is called reaction. So we can say that when our two objects interact with each other, two forces come into existence. Two forces, action and reaction. Action is the force which is exerted by the object A on the object B, while as this object B in return it exerts an equal and opposite reaction on the object A. That's called reaction. So in order to understand it, we can say that to every action in nature there is always an equal and opposite reaction. That means these two forces, action and reaction, they are of equal magnitude. But their direction is opposite. For example, action, F action is equal to minus F reaction. This minus, it indicates opposite direction of the reaction force. Let us take some examples to understand the Newton's third law of motion. For example, swimmer pushes the water backwards with his hands, and in return the water pushes the swimmer forwards. That means in this example, swimmer it exerts force, action on the water, and in turn water exerts an equal force on the swimmer. In this way, you see water push kara swimmer forwards, thus help him to go forward during swimming. Similarly, when we jump our legs, they exert a force on the ground, and in turn ground applies equal and opposite force that propels us in the air. That means Newton's third law of motion, in this Newton, according to the Newton's third law of motion, it says that whenever one object exerts an force on another object, this force which is exerted by an object on another, this is called action, while as the force which is exerted by the body in return on the first object, that's called reaction. So we can say that whenever two objects, when they interact, two forces come into existence, action and reaction has shown us the, in other words, for example, when we throw a ball on the wall, what happens? The ball comes back. We exert a force on this wall, and wall it in return gives the ball in the backward direction. This is called action and reaction. There are so many examples which illustrates the Newton's third law of motion. The Newton's third law of motion, to every action there is always equal and opposite reaction.